Hey guys, it's Kenzie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. It's very nice to have you here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at HeyIt'sKen so that you don't miss anything that's going on behind the scenes. Today's video is a collab with one of my YouTube friends. Her name is Kim. Her channel on YouTube is MommyInStilettos. She's great. She's really good at makeup. She posts like all these reviews and makeup tutorials, and I wish that I could have just like half of her makeup ability. That would be nice. She's currently doing an affordable makeup series, so this palette is perfect for this because it's only $10. You can click here to check out her channel, or the link to her new video will be in the description box. Make sure you go and leave a like on it. So with all of that being said, let's get started. So this is the makeup look that I'm going to be showing you guys how to do today. All of the eyeshadow that I have on comes from the Bubble Nebula palette. So first, let's talk a little bit about the palette itself. I bought this on Amazon for literally $10.
$10, guys.
That's it. This palette is a dupe, or a knockoff you might say, of the Sephora Mercury Retrograde palette. Now guys, that palette is $65, and like, I just cannot bring myself to spend the money. So I'm really excited to try this because it's $10 versus $67 at Sephora. So let's get started and see if this really works. So I already have my foundation on because I made a video called my everyday makeup routine where I show you guys how to do all that, so I didn't really think that I needed to do it again. But anyways, so for the first thing, before we put on the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this L'Oreal concealer as like a primer because I'm, again, too lazy to buy actual primer, especially considering I don't wear eyeshadow that often. I am just rubbing that in then. Also, there's a mirror behind me, so that's why I am not looking at the camera. Next, we can move on to the actual eyeshadow. Here's the palette once again, and when we open it up, it's very, very pretty. Like, the colors, oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited to try this. Okay, so I think for today, I'm going to go with like a pinky type vibe, just because I'm wearing a pink shirt, and you know, we gotta match the shirt. So I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to take lots of pink colors and make a look out of that. First, taking a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with this very light pink color. This is going to be our base since the rest of our look is going to be pink. And we're going to start at the top of our brow bone and then work our way down to the lid. Then just do it on the other side. Now that we have our base color on, I'm going to go in with this more of a neutrally colored pink, maybe like a
blush pink.
And we're just going to start by putting that on our eyelids. Just going to apply that all over my lid. And then obviously do it to the other side because you don't want to look whack. Okay, and once that's done, I'm going to be taking this more of like a hot pink shade, if you guys can see that. And I'm just going to blend that into my crease and then work my way out to the outer corner. So honestly, if you were going for something that was like
Business, professional, appropriate,
this look would like be good as it is, but I find it a little bit boring, so we're gonna add some
razzle dazzle.
So next, I'm going to be taking this white sparkly shade, and I'm just going to add that at the inner corners of my eyes because I do that all the time with any eyeshadow because it looks really good. But this, I'm assuming, is going to look even better because it is
sparkly.
So I think I've decided that I want to do like a pink ombre type thing. So I'm going to first take this lighter pink sparkly eyeshadow, and we're going to put that more towards like our corners of our eyes. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking this darker sparkly pink because again, we're doing an ombre. So I'm going to take that color using the same flat brush that we've been using, and we're going to pack that on towards the middle and then out to the outer corners. Next, I'm just blending that out a little bit with my fluffy brush so that the ombre like transitions smoothly from light to hot pink. Then lastly for the eyeshadow, I'm just going to be taking that same hot pink color that we used before, and I'm just going to use this to kind of tie it all together. I'm going to start at the outer corner and work my way back up into the crease. Alright, so that's it for the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of eyeliner. And when I say a little bit, I mean like the thinnest line, because me and eyeliner are really not friends.
Kind of makes me look like a raccoon.
Now that my eyeliner is done, I'm going to go ahead and go in and just do my eyelashes and then also my eyebrows like I usually would. Again, this is all in my everyday makeup routine. If you guys want to go and watch that, the link will be in the description below. Finally, I'm just going to add some of my Lorac Los Angeles lip gloss. I use this stuff all the time. And there you have it, guys. This is the finished makeup look. I think that this look is perfect for a night out or maybe even like Valentine's Day.
I guess I'll have to make another video on that at some point.
So yeah, this is the finished look. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I am super happy with how this makeup look turned out, and I think that the Bubble Nebula palette is a great dupe for something that's $65 when you can only spend $10. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys plan on getting this palette or have it, or if you have the real one from Sephora. Let me know what your opinions are. Don't forget to check out Kim's video. The link will be in the description box below, and you can see another look using the same palette. I love you all so much, and I hope you guys are all staying safe. See you next time. Bye!